What's up, guys? Today we're going to make a classic American treat called Rice Krispies. This is the final product right there. You can see the nice clean marshmallow pull. Looks so delicious. And they turn out great, and it's only 3 ingredients. Takes less than 5 minutes to make. I'm going to weigh out the ingredients here, but you can just eyeball it if you want. It's really not too hard. I'm using about 120 grams of marshmallows. I bought a lot because I'm going to make a lot of these to give away. The kids at the orphanage where I volunteer really love these. So it's kind of similar to ampao here in the Philippines. So we got our puffed rice cereal. It's a type of breakfast cereal in America called Rice Krispies, which is where the name comes from. You can see the proportions here, maybe twice as much volume of the rice as marshmallows. And then in our pan, we're going to dump some butter. This is all the ingredients, so this is how simple it is. We get our butter nice and melted. You want to melt this slow so you don't burn your marshmallows. We'll dump the marshmallows in. You could actually toast these. Sometimes they get a little black, but it really doesn't taste bad because marshmallows over the campfire are a nice little treat as well. So we'll stir this up, get the butter on each side. That way it just melts nice and clean. You can already see it starting to melt slightly in the pan. And then we're going to put the lid on top. The lid's just going to help it melt more thoroughly. There's our rice right there, getting that ready. And it's already starting to melt down. You can see it's getting stringy. This whole process from beginning to end really took me 5 minutes. So here it is after another 30 seconds. Getting all the little marshmallow pieces fully broken down and melted smooth. And then we're going to dump our rice right into there. That's it. We're going to get a nice homogeneous mix here. Losing a little bit out the side of the pan, but that's okay. It's bound to happen. Maybe you have a bigger pot than me. You can see right there it's all together now in one big ball. I'm going to put it into my pan, just so we can let it cool down. I like to press it down so it's uniform. That way you get a better texture at the end, but it really doesn't matter. You're going to pull it apart and eat it in the end. So here's our final product. I'm going to dump it out onto my cutting board just so I can slice it up into nice little pieces for us. This is the final product. You see it's nice and glistening with that butter. We're going to cut it in half. You can cut it in whatever size pieces you like. You could also cover this in melted chocolate. You could do it whatever you like. Little strawberry jam might be good on top of this. Here's our final product. Just a nice little slice. Look how beautiful that is. Can't ask for a better treat than that. Super simple, really good for kids. If you want to get your kids in the kitchen to help cook, I'm going to take a bite of this because it's so good. I want it warm. Oh yeah, perfect. Now we're doing an official taste test. You can see it's cooled down a little bit, so it's not quite as nice of a pull here, but still delicious. I ended up giving most of this away, and all the people who I gave it to here around my condo really loved it. So I think if you make this for your family, you're going to like it too. Hope you get to try this someday, guys. Really nice. So delicious. The guards at my condo asked me for more of this, so I'm going to have to make more for them pretty soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. We'll see you later. One last bite. So delicious. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.